When your Sceptre monitor shows no display, start with power diagnostics. Check the power LED indicator on your monitor. This small light tells you the power status. A solid blue LED indicates normal power operation. However, if the LED is blinking or a different color, this suggests a power issue that needs attention. Test different power outlets to rule out electrical issues and carefully inspect the power cable for any visible damage, kinks, or loose connections. Next, focus on video input selection. Sceptre monitors commonly have input selection issues. You need to cycle through all available inputs to match your actual cable connection. Use your monitor's physical buttons to cycle through each input option. Make sure the selected input matches the type of cable you're actually using to connect your device. Faulty or loose cables are among the most common causes of no display issues. Test different cable types and ensure all connections are secure at both ends. Try different cable types if available, and always ensure connections are firmly seated at both the monitor and source device ends. Loose connections are a frequent cause of display problems. Finally, clean the connection ports with compressed air to remove dust or debris that might interfere with the connection. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. These initial diagnostic steps, checking power, verifying input selection, testing cables, and cleaning ports, resolve the majority of Sceptre monitor no display problems. Start with these basics before moving to more advanced troubleshooting. When basic power and cable checks don't resolve the no display issue, it's time to move to advanced troubleshooting techniques that can identify more complex problems. Testing with multiple source devices helps determine whether the issue lies with your original computer or with the monitor itself. This is a critical diagnostic step. Next, verify your source device's output settings. Resolution and refresh rate compatibility issues are common causes of display problems that are often overlooked. If compatibility issues persist, try performing a factory reset on your monitor. This reverts all settings to their default values and can resolve configuration conflicts. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Regular maintenance and proper usage habits can significantly reduce the likelihood of display issues occurring in the future. Proper power management is crucial for monitor longevity. Avoid frequent power cycling and maintain stable environmental conditions to prevent hardware stress and premature failure. When considering professional repair, remember that diagnostic and repair costs often exceed the replacement value of budget monitors like Sceptre. Understanding these economics helps make informed decisions. Remember that 70% of no display issues are resolved without opening the monitor, emphasizing the importance of thorough external troubleshooting before considering professional repair or replacement.